Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn what is meant by Azure AI Engineer Associate Certificate and what we learn in this certificate. What is the overview? What is the syllabus? End to end, what is the uh, cost for this certificate and how we can get 50% off. Okay, so in this video, we will learn all those things step by step. For example, see, the video is related to Azure AI Engineer Associate. So basically, this is a Microsoft certification. In this certificate, we will learn how to implement Azure AI Solution using Azure AI services and Azure OpenAI. The level of this certificate is like a intermediate. Obviously, product is Azure, and basically this certificate is related to AI. All means AI topics, advanced AI topics. We will learn in this certificate, and role is like AI engineer. So this is a basic info about this certification. Now we just quickly move to overview, what we learn and what is the basic criteria. Means who can complete this certificate or who can participate to complete this certificate. So basically, as an AI engineer, you can build, manage, deploy a solution. Okay, and your responsibilities like development, deployment, integrations, monitor, all those things. So here, as an AI engineer, you have just experience. What is the criteria? Like you have just a basic experience about Python or a C sharp. Basically, we know the C sharp, and also we just try to learn Python to understand more about AI. You should be able to use REST API, SDK to build secure image processing or video processing or natural language processing. So all these concepts are related to AI. Okay, so you should understand all those components, and then uh, you just apply the AI principles. Okay, so this is a basic overview about this certification. Okay, you can just go through it. Next thing is like a skills earn upon completion. Means once you complete the certificate, then what skills you earn, like develop generative apps, and also you can able to create computer vision solution with Azure AI. How to prepare this exam? How to prepare for the exam? So this is a syllabus kind of thing. Develop AI solution in Azure, then develop generative apps in Azure, develop AI agents, develop natural language solutions in Azure, develop computer vision, and develop AI information extraction solution in Azure. So we need to go through all this course content, all these points we need to cover to understand or to complete this certificate. Okay, so we need to just go through it, all courses. You can just click here, then the course content, you can just open it. I'll just quickly see. This is a course content. You can see develop generative AI apps in Azure. So see, um, this is a 7-hour course almost, and this um, course we will learn 8 models. So what skill we earn if you complete this model, then you can able to develop generative AI apps in Azure AI Foundry portal. Okay, so just start it and just try to earn those things. But I just recommend, like, you can just complete this course before schedule the exam. Okay, I will recommend, please complete this all course contents before scheduling the exam. First means you just schedule the exam once your preparation is complete. Okay, so first we need to complete this course, then we need to perform some practice for the exam, like practice assessment, like assess your knowledge means exam questions and video, everything we need to understand. And this certification, in short, we are calling like AI 102. Last time we learn about AI fundamental, AI 900, right? So now we need to move the next certificate like AI 102. Okay, so once you complete the overall course, now we just need to move practice for the exam. Here we need to work on exam questions and practice assessment. We we will cover all exam questions, exam bank. Okay, question bank, and then we need to take the exam. So exam is a basically you have 100 minutes to complete this assessment. Okay, and exam policy, you can just apply online or offline, and based on that you can just prepare yourself. Okay, exam language is like uh, whatever your language you can just select, and means once you pass you can just easily earn this certificate. Else means if you fail, then don't worry about it, you can just retake it 24 hours after the first attempt. But subsequent retakes amount time varies. And next thing is like what is the cost for this certification. USD, suppose this is a 83 USD. You see 4865, this is the INR value. You can just choose your country and just see what is the value as per your currency. So here the total cost for this certification is like a 4865, but I'll just provide one trick how to get 50% discount for this. So to get the 50% discount, you need to just attend virtual training for this AI engineer certificate. Okay, the virtual training I will share the some um, links for virtual training. So if you complete that virtual training, then definitely you get a 50% discount for this amount. Okay, and means after completion, and then you can just schedule the exam, everything. Once you schedule it means after, see, the our first step is like we need to just go through all the course contents, then we need to prepare, or we need to just go through overall exam questions, then we need to schedule the exam, and then we need to just means after, in short, after preparation we need to just schedule the exam. Okay, and to get the 50% discount on this, we need to just attend the virtual training. The Microsoft uh, means every weekly they just share schedule one virtual training program. So we need to just attend that program, and we just get a 50% discount when you just scheduling this exam. Then that time you just enter your email ID and you automatically get a 50% discount if you attend that virtual training program. So same mail ID you can just use for attend when you attend the virtual training program. Same mail ID you can just use at the time of schedule exam. Then you can get 50% discount. Okay. So this is a some exam study guide AI 102, and then once you go through this, I'll just share this link. Okay, this is a roadmap to complete the AI 102 AI engineer certificate, in short. So now we are just focusing to complete this, how to complete, and definitely we just provide everything. This is a roadmap how to complete and how to schedule the AI 102 Microsoft certificate. I hope you understand. I will share this link. You can just go through it and then we will go step by step. I hope you understand what is AI engineer certificate. This is a AI 102 AI engineer certificate, and now we need to prepare this and we need to complete this. Okay, thank you guys. Thanks.